I told you that cold outreach is actually the least effective way to land big B2B deals in 2025? I'm Tony Koenig from Scaling Founder and Koenig Digital, and I recently worked with a B2B founder who was spending 60 plus hours monthly on cold calls and emails with minimal results. After implementing the framework I'm about to show you, they closed a $100,000 deal with a prospect who found them and reached out ready to buy without a single cold call. Today, I'm revealing the content-driven sales system that's helping smart B2B founders close deals while they sleep. So, if you're a B2B founder grinding through cold calls, dealing with constant rejection, or watching your sales cycle drag on for months, this video is specifically for you. According to Gartner, B2B buyers spent only 17% of their journey talking to potential vendors. And that includes all vendors they're considering. The other 83%, they're consuming content and forming opinions before you ever get a chance to speak. Let me show you how to influence that critical 83% and create content that actually closes a deal. The fundamental problem most B2B founders face is content disconnection. This typically manifests in three critical ways. Number one, company-centric content. Creating materials about your company, features, and capabilities rather than addressing your prospects' specific challenges. People are really only interested in what your product or service can do for them, what pain point, what issue it can solve for them. So this type of content gets ignored because prospects simply don't care about you yet. The second one is marketing sales disconnect. Marketing creates content that doesn't align with the sales process, while salespeople create their own material in silos. This creates inconsistent messaging and missed opportunities. And then number three, the passive content approach. Treating content as passive information rather than active selling tools designed to move prospects through specific stages of the buying journey. If somebody is buying a new autoclave or a new camera or something new, they want to know what that camera can do for them, which of their problems it can solve, and how great it can make them look, or how much easier it can make their job. Very important to remember when you create content. That should be your focus. Because this connection means your content isn't working for you. It's just sitting there consuming resources without driving revenue. Okay, so now this content disconnection is creating serious consequences for your business. First of all, is what we call the visibility vacuum. Your prospects are researching solutions, but your content isn't appearing in their self-education process, making you invisible during 83% of their buying journey. Second, extended sales cycles. Without content that addresses key questions and objections proactively, your sales process requires more calls and meetings to cover the same ground. Number three, competitive vulnerability. When competitors provide valuable content that educates prospects on their terms, they establish themselves as trusted advisors while you're still trying to get your foot in the door. And number four, resource waste. Creating content that doesn't drive sales results in a significant drain on your limited marketing and sales resources. And number five, the most critical, missed revenue opportunities. Missing out on even getting an opportunity to close a deal, getting that opportunity to get in front of the client. So when prospects can't find the answers to their questions through your content, they simply move on to competitors who provide that information. The B2B founder I mentioned earlier, what happened in their case is they were creating glossy brochures, beautiful, spending thousands of dollars on graphic design and photographs and the most perfect brochures you can get. And then generic blog posts that got minimal engagement, while spending countless hours on cold outreach that went nowhere. They were more concerned about how they were looking than about the questions they were answering. So that's the content sales disconnect most B2B founders are experiencing. So the content that closes framework that I'm going to share with you now focuses on creating problem-solving content that converts. So your first step is problem identification. Clearly articulate a specific challenge your prospect face, showing deep understanding. Then step two, consequence amplification. Explore the cost and risks of leaving this problem unsolved, creating urgency. And step three is foundation. In this is the solution framework. Provide a clear approach to addressing the problem, delivering immediate value. And then step four, subtle positioning. Naturally illustrate how your offering fits within this solution framework without being pushy. This structure works best or works across all formats: blog posts, videos, guides, courses, emails, because it aligns with how prospects actually make buying decisions. This exact framework is the foundation of the content that closes system. The three-part approach that transforms passive content into active selling content. So let's have a look at this content that closes. Your first component, the buyer's journey content matrix. Creating specific content types aligned with each stage of your buyer's journey, from awareness to decision. Then component number two, the value first formula. Leading with immediate value delivery before any ask, establishing your expertise and building trust organically. Then component number three is your strategic component or content deployment. Placing your content exactly where your ideal prospects are already looking, making it discoverable at the right moment. And for SEO and that type of thing, if you doing content specifically aimed at pain points, specifically aimed at your product's version, or the product name, that content ranks so much better or faster, and you'll get the results so much faster than generic trying to rank for the big words and that, because everybody's going for that. So when implemented correctly, this framework creates a content ecosystem that educates, nurtures, and converts prospects even when you're not directly involved in the conversation. Your aim here is not to have thousands and thousands of people see this content, but the 10 or 20 people who actually wants to buy, or who are actually ready to buy and is researching. So that is what you're looking at. So, okay, let me show you how this works in practice with that B2B founder I mentioned. They were spending countless hours on cold outreach with minimal results. We all know how popular cold calling is. Anyway, we implemented the content that closes framework. First, we mapped the entire buyer journey, created a targeted content for each stage. Problem-focused blog post for awareness, solution comparison guides for consideration, case studies, and ROI calculators for decision making. Then we applied the value first formula to every piece. delivering actionable insights before mentioning their solution, creating genuine useful tools that prospects would save and share, establishing expertise through educational, not promotional content. And then third, we strategically deployed the content, optimizing for specific search terms their prospects were using, distributing through industry platforms where the buyers gathered, and then creating a content-driven LinkedIn strategy for their team and YouTube channel and a course and all of that kind of content stuff that builds authority. The results within 60 days, their website became a lead generation engine rather than a digital brochure. Inbound inquiries increased by 267%. That's right, 267%. And most impressively, they closed the $100,000 deal with a prospect who found their ROI calculator, used it, and reached out directly, completely bypassing the traditional sales process. All from creating content that sells instead of just tells. So, if you are struggling to generate leads and close deals through traditional outreach, I've created a free content that closes playbook that includes the buyer journey content matrix template, the value first formula checklist for each content type, a strategic deployment guide to maximize content visibility. The link is in the description below. Click it, download it, enjoy it, and benefit from it. So, and if you're ready to completely transform your approach to sales content, check out my comprehensive B2B sales growth hacking masterclass on Udemy. Module 7 is entirely dedicated to closing with content using these exact strategies and more. Hit subscribe and the notification bell to get more strategies for using content to drive sales. And let me know in the comments which type of content has been most effective for your business. I personally respond to every comment. This is Tony Kuhner from Scaling Founder and Connect Digital, and I'm committed to helping you create content that closes deals while you sleep. See you in the next video and keep on scaling.